Hey there, is your iPhone automatically switching to speaker mode when you make a call? Let's fix it together. First, you have to open up your settings and scroll down. Go to accessibility and find the touch option. Now, scroll down until you see call audio routing and make sure it's set to automatic. If it's still not working, try restarting your iPhone to see if that helps. If the issue persists, you can try resetting your settings as a last resort. For that, you have to go back to your settings and select General. Scroll down and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone. Pick Reset, then choose Reset All Settings. This will restore your custom settings to default without deleting your data. And that's it. I hope your iPhone should now work fine without switching to speaker mode automatically. I hope this guide helpful. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.